Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup look. I already did the one last year, but I haven't done the one for this year, so I decided to do that. In 2020, I think I wear less and less makeup nowadays because you know that we all have to stuck at home, so I've been just doing my makeup as simple as possible. So there's a lot of changes when it comes to product I use and techniques, so I thought it would be nice to share if I share my everyday makeup looks with products I've been loving. In the last everyday makeup look, I use a matte lipstick, but this time I think I should do the one with wearing a lip gloss because I love a lip gloss, and the lip gloss I'm wearing is from Bright Beauties and it's their new launch product. And huge shout out to Bright Beauty for sponsoring this video. I am so happy to be partnered with Bright Beauty because you know that I already mentioned their Agave Plus Lip Mask as my favorite several times in my video, and I'm just a huge fan of the brands. And the reason why I love this brand is first, their product quality is amazing, and second, they're cruelty-free, vegan, and clean. I know there's a lot of definition going around in the industry when it comes to clean beauty, but I strongly believe the idea of cruelty-free and vegan. I know that it's so hard to find the makeup brand, especially when you decide to go to cruelty-free and vegan. So I just really support this kind of brand. And thank you guys so much for making this happen, and I'm so excited to introduce this product because I just love this lip gloss. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. I done with my skincare and put sunscreen on. Now I'm moving on to makeup. Lately, I can see my pores, enlarged pores, more clearly than ever because of wearing a mask. So I start to use a makeup primer more often than ever. So I'm going to use this Sephora collection smoothing primer to hide my pores, but it's gonna be mainly on my nose and nose area. As you can see, this is just like typical silicone based primer, so it makes your skin texture really smooth, soft, and silky finish with hiding your pores. As always, I'm going to use a color corrector to conceal the darkness of my under eye area and around my lips, and I'm going to use this PIXI Correction Concentrate in the shade Brightening Peach. So I'm just going to apply this product around my eyes and around my lips to brighten them. It does have a nice coverage, but it doesn't dry up my skin at the same time, so I've been loving this product lately. So now I'm moving on to concealer. For concealer, I've been wanting to mention this product so long because I think this is gonna be my best concealer in 2020. And this is KOSAS Revealer Concealer, and I'm using the shade 5.5. As soon as I tried this product, I just love it, and I even couldn't test the shade, so I have to guess which one would be the best online. So happy that I found the best shade on my skin tone. I think it's just perfect for everyday makeup look. It's so creamy and soft. It blends so beautifully, especially if you are someone who don't wear foundation very often but want to use concealer with a decent amount of coverage. I think you will find this is a perfect concealer. It has light to medium coverage but more in medium side, and also once you apply this product on your skin, you will feel that it's pretty hydrating enough, so it does not give you that cakey finish or whatsoever. Highly recommend this product, and I'm just going to apply this product mostly centered on my face, and I'm going to use my fingertips to blend everything in it. To finish up my base makeup, I want to cover some hyperpigmentation or this, so I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer, and I'm using the shade 308. This product has high coverage and matte finish, so this is something when I want to cover something perfectly, so I think it's ideal to cover like smaller area. So I'm going to use concealer brush to conceal those areas. So it's gonna be mainly on my forehead and a little bit on my nose. I don't need my base makeup, and now I'm moving on to this lip gloss because I just can't wait to apply this at the end. So this is by Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss, and I'm using the shade Rose Meringue. As you can see, I use almost half of this product and it normally looks like this. And that means I just love this shade. I can say this shade is warm rose with shimmer, so it's so beautiful and perfect for everyday makeup look. It just perfectly matches with my natural lip color and just perfect for everyday makeup look. So in this product, they put a lot of nourishing plant-based ingredients such as cocoa seed butter, sunflower oil, so it gives you nourishing and hydrating feeling on your lips at the same time. They put cinnamon oil to give a really gentle plumping effect. So if you haven't tried anything like plumper, or if you just don't want that spicy tingling feeling, I think this can be a really gentle option. Now I finished to apply lip gloss. It looks so plump and I really love this lip gloss. So if you are interested in product, it's available on Sephora and bybeauty.com, so you can check it out there. So now I'm going to contour my face. I used to use only bronzer to contour, but I start to use a real contour shade, and I recently got this Tarte contour palette. I think this palette is just perfect for everyday makeup look and for someone who just start doing makeup, because all three shades are very natural and just perfect for everyday makeup looks. So I highly recommend you guys, especially if you are a makeup beginner, this palette will be really useful. You might want to know that what is the differences between contouring and bronzing. If you see the shadow, it does not look like reddish or something, so the contour shades are more likely ashy, but the bronzer shades are more likely reddish, and sometimes it has like glitters or shimmers in it, so it makes your skin look very healthy and more a little bit tan. And this shade is ideal to use as a contour because it does not have the reddish and glitter or shimmer or whatsoever, so it's just like perfect ashy contour shade. So I'm going to use this contour shade to contour my face. I don't need my contour and I'm moving on to blush. For blush, I'm going to use a cream one because for a natural everyday makeup look, I found that this like cream or liquid blush blends really seamlessly into the skin than powder one, so I love using cream or liquid blush. So for today, I'm going to use this Milk Makeup, this stick, lip and cheek in the shade WERK. This shade is more like dusty rose shade, so perfect for everyday makeup look. So I'm just going to place this directly onto my cheek and blend with my fingertips. For eyeshadow, I'm just going to use the contour shade I used previously with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply all over my lids. For everyday makeup, I always want my brows really natural and just like a no makeup look, so I'm going to use a brow powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and in this shade, two shades, I'm going to use a lighter shades and fill in my brows really roughly. After curling my lashes and put some mascara primer, I'm going to tightline with this black liquid eyeliner from McGrath Labs. I'll just put some eyeliner on and moving on to mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use also from McGrath Labs, and this is called FetishEyes mascara. This mascara gives you that such a nice voluminous on your lashes, and it looks like you are wearing falsies, but you can make it with mascara. So I just love this product, and I love making my lashes really full, like glam look. So I normally put this kind of like thickening or volumizing mascara, so I just love this product nowadays. So I'm just going to put on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. So I finished to put some mascara on, and for highlighter, I'm going to take this palette from Tarte again, and using this highlighter, I'm going to brighten the inner corner of my eyes and like high point on my cheekbones, underneath my brows, where I want that nice glow on my face. So yeah, this is my update everyday makeup look for 2020. I really love this look as I love cream blush and lip gloss, and they're all like pink and very natural, and all the products I use are very easy to use and almost like fade-free products. So I think it is worth to check all the products I mentioned today. Highly recommend all of them. And also let me know what is your everyday makeup look like nowadays, because I think there are some people who just don't wear makeup at all, or some people who just put more makeup at home, because I sometimes feel just bored alone at home. So I start to just play with makeup, just with random products. But as long as we enjoy the process of makeup, I think makeup is such a fun thing in this hard time. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.